winners, 984 of you. But yeah, looking after his place mainly involves looking after the cats, because, well, I mean, his place is well kept, plus doesn't take much. I mean, as long as I don't open up surstroming in his place, he's gonna probably be alright. I mean, he's coming back tomorrow morning, so a little too late to buy it. Don't even know where you could... Actually, probably in Stockman. Well, Stockman's like the bourgeoisie place. You can buy everything there, everything fancy. 433 with the 500x. Good luck. Well, guess what the cat dragged in? That big, beautiful 33 black with a 500 times payout, the best in the game. Congratulations, 1,049 winners with 479. Getting a big wobbaloo dabba dabba doop dabba doop right there. Well, we got Map, Casino, Zahina, Kings, and Teleting top that. Enjoy that surstroming for everybody right there with the 500x. Beautiful and smelly. Not but the good smelly kind. It's a winner smelly. Yes, winner smelly. Get that jelly. 1250, 3600x top. Alright, 500 up next. Odd number 4 doesn't tier section, 779 numbers overall. Everyone's just chilling. Weird. Maybe chat's broken. Who knows? Well, check out that wall. Check out the statistics. Well, maybe to prepare for the next big 500x catch. Best in the game. Well, if you want to catch more, there's extreme lightning roulette. In that particular type of lightning roulette, you can catch up to 2000x. If it's Destiny, same rules apply. Just bigger payouts. So there's that. So 31 and 35 with 100x on 31. Alright, and the jive continues forward. Something, I don't know. Well, have one more night to watch over the cats, because them cats are kinda... The hardest part about cats is that they get zoomies. When they get zoomies, then yeah, even the bedroom doors are not an obstacle, because seriously, one of them is learn how to open them. 922, 100x top, good luck. High 21, 12 second doesn't number, 937 minutes open. Bangs, meows, and just randomly shoves open the door, because the switch to lock is not very sturdy at all. You don't even have to be, you know, it's like that. Boomies be boomies. Boom boom zoom zoom 1550x. Well, take care. Oh, if you say so. 5 dozen second call. Tier section 5, right? 798 winners. And the search continues for the next big dub. Yes, the gonna be that next big dub. Eventually, somewhere around, somewhere on the take those straight ups. I believe there was an option to just hit every straight up. 37 bets in a single game if you're feeling lucky. I mean, good hit for those lightning numbers, right? Well, what about that 26 black? What do we have around that? Even high dollars number, 981 winners. Got a bit of winners over there with McKinney, Rizal, Casino, Tank, and MOBA taking top. Oh, well, it's not. It's Mob 46. Well, it looks like MOBA. Congratulations. Well, get ready. Prepare a new kind of bet. Remember, all the red bets exist. Just with straight ups, you can extract them big multipliers if If you happen to have that straight up, it gets to be improved by lighting, and then afterwards the ball actually picks it up. Boom. The lighting numbers, 214, it's you on the next top. Good luck. Bruh. Alright. Maybe next time. 20 black, even high number, second dozen, 969 winners. Nice palindrome though. So yeah.